Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to clear Telegram cache files. Friends, if you are facing any errors in Telegram app or want to delete unwanted files, then you simply need to press on these three lines. Now here you need to press on settings. Now in settings you need to press on data and storage. Now in data and storage you need to press on storage usage. Now here you will find all your Telegram storage details and option to clear cache files. So press on clear cache. Now as you can see on my device, cache files are using 2.2 GB. So after reading this pop-up, press on clear cache. Now it has cleared all the cache files from my device. So friends, like this you can very easily clear Telegram cache files. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.